Hello, Chef here. So I thought I would share some more tips and facts with you and some hacks to help you live longer, live better, live a more fulfilled life, and avoid some of the stress and anxiety and depression that comes along with winter and cold weather and holidays, family gatherings. All these things, they bring a tremendous amount of stress, anxiety, and depression to so many people. So I'm quite sure you're taking multivitamins already. We got these multivites and they've got all these different supplements. You got all kinds of good stuff going on in here. This particular multivitamin has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. It's missing some of the essential nutrients and vitamins. That's why you got to take other vitamins as well. Vitamins are good for you when taking in the right amounts. Zinc. Zinc helps fight these viruses, these airborne viruses and toxins, as well as you should be taking vitamin C or drinking orange juice every day. There's many others. I'm not going to get into all of them. However, right now, I want to share with you something that has improved my anxiety and depression and overall health. What do we have here? Oh, yeah, look at that. Perfect threads of saffron. Yes, you get it at your sponsor there. By the way, the price for the best saffron we've ever used, the price from the sponsor is like half of the price you'll see at Costco or on the internet, other websites, and everyone's trying to sell you powder, micro tiny particles. These are long threads. You just put a few threads in the glass like this. You should do this every couple of days, every day. It depends on your lifestyle and your budget. It's not cheap. See, I have a very minimal amount here. I've already brewed a nice black tea, and I'm putting a little bit in like this. Okay, you can see the colors change that quickly. My tea is kind of a black tea. It's kind of maybe brownish color, but the saffron is releasing a reddish yellow, rich scent, aroma, flavor. Yeah, and most importantly, it's going to improve my health. It also helps your eyesight. It does so many things. So to get the good stuff, check out your sponsor. They got it there in stock. I believe 1 ounce is only about $80 or so. I'm not certain on the price, but anyway, it's the real deal. This particular one comes from Spain. You can see the long threads, bright red color. That is the real deal right there. These saffron threads are hand-picked in Spain. Pure stamen threads from the saffron plant. So with that, cheers to your health. Hope you can avoid the anxiety and depression. Let's get through this cold weather together. Oh yeah. That's amazing stuff right there. You can also use saffron for a variety of recipes. We put it in paella, we put it in risottos, paired with seafood, paired with fish, paired with chicken. It's good in baked goods as well. Wow. I really like it. I also like the fact that it comes in a really nice tin. It's beautiful. And you can refill the tin as well. Airtight. It's going to last a long time. Oh yeah. The good stuff. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the other videos. And one more thing. I'd like you to search saffron on this channel. Subscribe right here. We got all kinds of other recipes. We're sharing tips with you. Get the best the first time. Shop small business. You're going to get better stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a great day. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry,
wow, the John
even
Boos
walnut
Cucina
rustic
Elegante,
rain,
handcrafted with the finest
reversible,
American hardwoods, food service
round,
grade stainless steel.
square,
The Elegante
rectangle,
features 1.5" thick
free
butcher
shipping.
block, available in several
It's gonna be
sizes
good.
and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money.
Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board.
Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month.
The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you Shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.